Hola amigos, buenos días. In this video, we're going to be taking a quick look at the difference between using the future tense, the present tense, and the concept of ir plus a plus infinitive in Spanish. So the nice thing about these is that they're all very similar to English. The use of them and when to use them, it's really not too difficult. It's really a matter of remembering the different conjugations. It's probably the hardest part. So I think that we'll pick a verb here and kind of go with it as far as so you can see the different examples. We'll just use something easy like nadar, to swim. So we'll start with the future tense. The future tense of to swim in Spanish would be just like it would be in English. So I will swim, you will swim, he or she will swim, we will swim, etc. That's the future tense in English, and in Spanish you just need to learn the conjugations. I'll put a link on the screen here for you if you haven't yet learned how to conjugate verbs in the future tense. But you just say nadaré, nadarás, etc. And that would be like I will swim, she will, or you will swim, etc. And then the next thing I was going to talk about was the present tense. Now, the present tense is used to talk about what's happening right now, present tense. It can also be used to talk about things that will happen in the near future. For example, I could say, mañana nado en la piscina. Tomorrow, I'm swimming in the pool. So I'm using the present tense to talk about the near future. You're not going to use it to talk about something that's going to happen far away, but close by. So you can use it in English too like that. Tomorrow, I'm swimming in the pool. That's the present tense in English and Spanish. It works. Now, the other concept is the ir plus a plus infinitive. So this concept is just like it is in English. You're going to use it to talk about what somebody is going to do. So if I want to say I'm going to swim, I would say voy a nadar. You're going to swim is tú vas a nadar, va a nadar, vamos a nadar, etc. So if you're wondering, like, the present tense aside, what's the difference between the future and the ir plus a plus infinitive? Well, it's kind of obvious. I think sometimes for some people there's like a gray area, like not really sure which one I should use here. If it's a classroom situation and your teacher says to use the future tense or to use ir plus a plus infinitive, then you have a clear choice. But more of like a real life thing, or if you're doing some kind of a written work or something like that, really just use what sounds more natural to you. Would you rather say I'm going to swim, or would you rather say I will swim? There are times when I would use one or the other over the other. Just pick whichever one works best for you. If something here doesn't make sense, you have a question, just let me know in the comment section and I'll get back to you. Thanks for watching.